Today's cue cards is describe an exciting book that you enjoy reading. So before starting, please like the video and subscribe the channel. So this is the sample answer. Books play an essential role in every student's or person's life because books providing knowledge of the outside world introduce them to a world of imagination, improving their reading, writing and speaking skills, and boosting memory and intelligence. I like to read motivational, story and investigation-related books. Today, I would like to talk about a crime and investigation-related book. The book name is Crime and Punishment. It is a novel written by the Russian author Fyodor Dostoevsky. It was first published in the literary journal The Russian Messenger in 12 monthly installments during 1866. It is a murder storybook that is told from a murderer's point of view. People did work and study from home. Due to the pandemic, everyone stayed at home last year. At that time, I had much free time, so to utilize the free time, I started to read different kinds of books. As I said earlier, I like investigation and crime-related books, so I downloaded some books online, and Crime and Punishment were one of these books. Book explain a murderer's point of view, behavior, emotions before and after the murder. The novel's first masterpiece is a psychological analysis of a person who thinks that he is an extraordinary, very unusual person able to take on the spiritual, relating to soul or human spirit as opposed to material or physical things, responsibility of using evil means to achieve. I am keen to know different types of behavior, and this book helped me to let know the unique feeling and emotions of murder, so that's why I think it is an exciting book. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section.